Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to buy Solana on Trust Wallet. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Trust Wallet on a device and log in. Here, tap Buy and type Solana on the search bar. Once the results are shown, tap on it. Next, add the amount of money to buy Solana and select the payment method. Tap Next. You will be taken to the official payment site. Then add in your details as required. So that's how you buy Solana on Trust Wallet. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.